Hello guys, welcome to Spyro Tech 365. In this After Effects tutorial, we are going to create this. Now, create a new composition. Name it as what you like. Set preset as HDTV 1080p. Set the time duration to 10 seconds. Follow the steps with me till the end of this video. Change the parameters of effects and presets like I do. I hope we will do something amazing at the end. Pick a clip that you want to use. Once you have done this, duplicate the clip using the shortcut Ctrl+D. Now select the first layer and use the shortcut S to open the scale options. Make one keyframe at the beginning and another a little further along with the value of 170. After you have done this, select the keyframes and make them easy ease with shortcut F9. Then go to the graph editor. Change the graph like what I do in here. Now, press T to open opacity. Create a keyframe at the beginning with a value of 100 and another keyframe at the end with 0 value. Select the keyframes and make them easy ease with shortcut F9. Then go to the graph editor. Change the graph like I do in here. Now create an adjustment layer and apply brightness and contrast effect on that layer. Change the value like I do. Now, add motion blur to these 3 layers. There we go! Now we have created Ghost Zoom effect. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative, entertaining, or inspiring. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We love hearing from our viewers, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family if you think they would enjoy it too. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.